Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to merging PDF files in Python. Introduction. Merging PDF files is a common task in various applications, such as document management systems or creating comprehensive reports. In Python, you can achieve this easily with the help of the PyPDF2 library. This tutorial will guide you through the process of merging PDF files using Python code with a practical example. Step 1. Install PyPDF2 library. Before we start, make sure you have the PyPDF2 library installed. You can install it using the following command. Step 2. Create a Python script. Now, let's create a Python script to merge PDF files. Open your preferred text editor and create a new file, for example, merge_pdfs.py. This script defines a function merge_pdfs that takes a list of input PDF files and merges them into a single output PDF file. Step 3, customize and run the script. Replace the example PDF file names in the input_files list with the actual PDF files you want to merge. Also, set the desired name for the output PDF file. Save the script and run it from the command line. After the script execution, you should find the merged PDF file, merged_output.pdf in the example, containing the combined content of the input PDFs. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python script to merge PDF files using the PyPDF2 library. Feel free to customize the script further based on your specific requirements, such as handling different file paths or adding error checking for a more robust solution. ChatGPT.